BMW E46 center console replacement. However, not for this car, but for my daily driven E46 wagon. I have the ever so common issue with the hazard switch breaking free from the center console, so we need to replace it real quick. Let's do it. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to put the shifter at a more convenient location. One click here, put it neutral. This is for automatics, obviously. Going to push the button, then wiggle and pull up the shift knob. Hold on a second. There we go. Okay. Now we'll grab this bezel here, pop it up from the center console area. Going to unplug these plugs here. Just like that. Put them there. And then we're going to remove these two Phillips screws holding this center trim down. Before that, I'm going to place the transmission back into park. Just like that. Going to now grab this, lift it up, and remove the window switches. Simple to remove. These little pieces, you push on them, and the whole switch drops out. Same thing for both sides. Now we have a bunch of room to work with here. Going to lift up the armrest like that, remove your cup holders and coin holder here. Pull up on the parking brake assembly. Going to remove the boot and handle for it. Same thing as the shift knob, just wiggle and pull it. Oh, this is a tight one. Actually, I'm going to not remove it and just pop the boot off. It's so damn tight. Just kind of get it out of the way like that there. Okay, from the back seat, I'm going to put this back down, open this up, push on it, pops out the ashtray in the back. There's going to be some more Phillips fasteners down in there. Look how gross it is inside of here. Pretty disgusting. Okay, so these ones down in here, they are a nylon or plastic style fastener with a center section and an outer section. I'll show you once they are out. There it is. Oh, that one's separated. That's totally fine. It will still come right out. Going to grab this whole assembly here, pull up like that, and then you're going to there's a little light here for illumination. You need to unplug that from the side. Simply just pull on this assembly like that. Comes right undone. And then our remainder of that retainer is right there. Now there are two more Phillips fasteners. These are screws, much like the front two up there. Okay, this next piece here, going to separate it from the center console. It's two pieces. There's a seam right there. Just like that. It comes up and goes around the armrest. Now the center console is free. We can remove it. Now we lift this back up and we get it to go around everything. Actually, I'll show you how to unplug the hazard switch first. Because usually with a fully intact center console, this hazard switch will stay with the center console, but mine's broken. So to unplug the hazard switch and the lock switch, hazard lock switch, same difference. Very similar connector to the other ones we undid. You just pull and it will come undone. Just like that. And we'll just toss this down there. Now we're going to grab the center console and weasel it out of here. Get the parking brake boot to pass through it and everything else. Get the armrest to snake through like that. And there we go. There's the broken center console. Go ahead and grab your replacement center console. Take your hazard lock switch and snap it in. Just like that. And then it's the reverse procedure to reinstall it. Do not forget to plug back in this switch. I've done that a few times myself. Okay, I'm going to put back in this parking brake boot. There's a little lip here on the bottom that goes into the center console, and then you have a little snapper there. Okay, come to the back and then feed through the wire for the illumination bulb. Going to come through right here. There we go. Okay, next take this piece here, put it in first. Get that wire to go through like that. Get the sides to line up like that. Should just drop down in there. Okay. Take your metal screws, put them back in. Going to then take this and reinstall it. First, want to plug back in the illumination light for the ashtray. Now is a great time to also replace this bulb. If it is burnt out, it removes pretty easily. You just push on those two buttons on the side of it there and it pulls right out. Pretty simple. To quickly test it, go to your headlight switch, go to the parking lights, and then check see if it's working. And as you can see, that one is still working. Make sure it's fully seated to the center console, and then going to reinstall these fasteners. Take the ashtray, put it back in, just like that, and then this will go back up. Cup holders, coin holder. You have these little pegs or little feet here that rest on these pads here. You kind of got to do like a drawbridge kind of action, like that. And they'll just seat nicely once they find their homes here. Just like that. Center trim. Line it back up. You have also little tabs here. See that tab on both sides? They actually grab onto this control panel. But first, I'm going to snap back in these window switches. You have little plastic feet there that go into the center trim. Like that. And then you simply, bam. Same thing on this side. Get it up in there, and then boom. Take this, approach it with an angle as such. You can feel it seat. Bam. And now we'll take these two screws and put them back in. Okay, grab the bezel here, place it up here, and you're going to plug everything back in. And then lastly, the shift knob. Test it. Make sure you can't pull out of park. Hit the button. Yep. It works. And that is it. And there we go. The center console has been replaced. Looking much better in here with a button in the proper location now. And there we have it. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Catch you later.